Got a Tuya device? Want to flash it with Tasmota or something else? Stick around for Fatty's Tech Talk. There's a lot of Tuya devices out there, and most of them work pretty good with Home Assistant. But they all use the Tuya cloud. And because of Rob, we're all freaked out about that. So what do? Well, fortunately, a German company recently released an update tool that'll allow us to update those over the air. So we can put on Tasmota or Asperna or I guess whatever you really wanted to put on them. I just tried it out with this guy. Mercury, $12 outdoor plug from Walmart. Worked a treat. So now we're going to make a video with one of these. I know it's really old, but it's what I have lying around, so we're going to try and use it. And if everything goes really well, we might even try a light bulb. Let's get to it. I'll put all the links in the description, but this is where we're headed. This CT open source, this Tuya convert, is the Git repository that was built by these guys, this German company, VTrust. They're a securities company who basically proved that the Tuya cloud was not very secure, and so they wanted to come up with a way to hack them. And their idea was to put Tasmota on them. So that's what we have. You need a Linux box with a Wi-Fi adapter. Note that while I'm SSHing to my box, I am doing that over the wired adapter and using the Wi-Fi adapter for the access point. So what it's going to do is it's going to create an access point. The Tuya device will put it into programming mode, and then that device will get picked up by the script. It'll send a command to it to update. It will connect to the access point and get its new fake firmware, and then we'll go ahead and push Tasmota down. So super easy. Follow the installation instructions exactly like they have them here. We're just going to clone it. We're going to go into that directory. We're going to run the prerequisites, and then we're going to run the flash once we put it into programming mode. The only catch is that I'm doing this on vanilla Raspbian, and just a few hours ago they did an update to add some log file commands in there that don't work on vanilla Raspbian. I forked it and rolled back that change, so this is the one we're going to use. I'll put links to both in the video. So here we are. This is a brand new install, totally clean. So I usually make a dev directory to work in. It already has Git installed, so we can just Git clone, go ahead and put in our repository, and it'll go ahead and pull that guy down. So let's go ahead and start by installing prerequisites. Okay, so this finished. Notice it did check a number of packages. I had already installed those, so it didn't have to update those. Yours probably will. Not a problem. Then it goes ahead and does an update with npm. Now we're just going to run the start flash. One thing you want to do before you start that is go ahead and put your item into, there it is. So we're going to go ahead and put it into AP mode. I just held down the button on this Rockbird's plug and until it went into AP mode. It's on right now, so let's go ahead and see if we can flash it. What you're doing is dangerous. It'll either work or it'll explode, as Dr. Z would say. So we're just going to go ahead and tell it yes. Now, it's launching a number of items there. We already put our item into the correct mode. So now all we do is wait.
All right, this is what we want to see.
I did log in and take a look at those log files for a minute. We're now seeing it download the actual binary from my Rockbird device. It's going to pull that down so that I can push it back on later if I want to. All right, it's finished. So let's take a look at what we've got. It finished the pulling down the binary file. It tells us that VTrust is who wrote this software. And then it starts to tell us about the device that we've just retrieved software from. So we get to see information about what boot mode it is, how much memory we have on the machine or on the device, and it gives us an indicator as to what we can push down to this device. Can we push a regular Tasmota? Do we need to push something smaller, etc.? So then we get the instructions, which is beautiful. So in this case, we're just going to go ahead and flash option 3, which is the external binary. We use a curl command. We can pass in a URL if we want to, but we're just going to use the default here. So we copy that. We tell the device we want to flash at 3, and away it goes. So then we go look for it, and lo and behold, there it is. It's got Tasmota on it, thinks it's a Sonoff. So there's a million videos on how to use Tasmota, how to log into this and track stuff down. I'm not going to do any of that today. Hopefully though, this video was useful to you. You were able to learn something, and hopefully we'll be able to bring you lots more videos like this in the future. Hoping to release one every Sunday morning over the next number of weeks. So if you liked it, please subscribe, and hopefully we'll hear from you on Fatty's Tech Talk.